Wow, guys. Good morning, everyone. So, this is sample lang only, guys. Nandito kami sa lake. So, guys, you need to visit this one. This is a really relaxing place, guys. Ayan na yung mountain, no? Ay, kaganda talaga. Time check, 9 o'clock a.m. Yes, ayan yung yung mountain niya, oh. Wow. Very beautiful. Hi. Very nice. Ayan na, guys. So, let's go, everyone. Ayan, guys. Oh, yun ang background ko. Oh, diba? Ganda. Ito yung mga RVs. RVs, guys. Ayan na. All around the places. Ayan. Yung cabin namin nandoon kami sa yung spot na across the street. So, ayan yung mga riders. Ang laki ng nila, spot dito, guys. Ang laki ng camping ground nila. Ayan, oh. Ayan, mga RVs, yung color orange. Ayan, oh, diba? So beautiful. Oh my God. What an mother's nature. Naka-nice. Ito yung fall leaves. Ayan, foliage. Yes, ganda. Ayan. So, greeny and yellow. Oh my God. Parang nasa makita mo lang to sa mga postcard. But then, eto na, oh. Nandito na kami. Hi! Ayan, busy na sila, guys. So, yung mga riders dyan. Ayan. Yung mga RVs. Ang ganda. Super ganda. Grabe. Ayan, punta kami dun sa kabila, guys. Hi, ganda. Hi! Wow, look at the trees, guys. So nice. What a beautiful morning. The weather's perfect. I love this season, the fall season. Yes. All right, thank you for watching, everyone. Bye, bye, Kay. Hi.